Hey guys, welcome. My name is Tara Griffith. This is my biggest challenge video. So my audience is other teachers as well as other staff that can help me with this. My current role, I am a teacher, an AP Chem and regular chemistry teacher. And so that is what this is all focused on. So currently the biggest challenge I feel like I face is how we're currently teaching and kind of some lacks in technology of where we're at. I think there may be technology coming along that'll be there, but it's just not there quite yet. So, my students, while they are being fairly successful in this hybrid learning, they really hate it, and I think that's because they are having to work a lot harder than they have been in the past. But again, they have been more successful. If we look at my test averages from last year and this year, the test averages are higher. So that's telling me that it's working, but it's only working for the kids that are doing work, right? Right now, I currently can't really stand over a kid and say, hey, let's work on this and let's do this, because most of their work like that is being done outside of the classroom. I worry about those kids kind of falling through the cracks and how to help them be successful when I only see them one time a week for a little over an hour. So how can we be successful? So that's my biggest challenge right now. And also, I'm also very afraid that very soon we're going to be going to remote learning because of how COVID is kind of blowing up right now. And then we really won't get any face-to-face time. And I'm not sure how that will go. Again, last spring when we did this, some of my students were successful, but some were really not successful. So that worries me because I want all my students to be successful. So my solutions for that are kind of being a collaborator, figuring out how to talk with other teachers, other chem teachers, even other science teachers, or just other teachers in general for how they're being successful or how they're using technology to be successful with students. Like if we go full remote, my students won't even get to do labs, and there are some virtual labs out there, but there's not a ton of virtual labs that would be useful in the high school chemistry classroom. Also, manipulatives, if we're at home, they can't work on those manipulatives. So how can we do that? I would love for programs to be there so we could do that and manipulate. And while there are some, I haven't found them just yet. So collaboration to me is the key and the answer to all of that. So how can we collaborate? My solutions are pretty simple. There are amazing resources out there that I've already tapped into that I want to continue to tap into. Facebook has a number of chemistry groups and AP chemistry groups that I have jumped into, and then I get helpful hints and like I've gotten actual virtual labs from them. And so it's very exciting for that part. I just would like to grow that. And then the next part or the other part is time. How do we get that time? Because right now we're not even having faculty meetings or even department meetings where we used to meet like once a month. And so we could bounce ideas off of each other and get better at that. So we need that time. And so we just need to build in some time, even if it is, via a meeting app such as Zoom or Teams or whatever it is that we need to meet. I think that would be helpful to just even have like a brainstorming session for that collaboration so we could kind of continue to build our online learning and so that all students can be successful, because again, that's my concern. So collaboration is the solution and hopefully we can get there. Thanks.